In this fast track to 1 million review, I'm going to be showing you a comprehensive training by a guy that's been making a full-time income online for 20 years using a system that's proven to work. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at Fast Track to 1 million, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, are you haunted by the ghosts of your internet marketing mistakes? Read on to discover why the deck has been stacked against you making money online, plus how these 7 simple secrets can fast track you to $1 million business and beyond here. So essentially, this is a training by a multi-millionaire, Michael Cheney. He's been doing internet marketing for like 20 years now, made tons of money doing it. He's very good at what he does. And in this training, he's going to teach you multiple different ways of making money online. Here you can see here the Millionaire Machine. He's going to show you a special ninja blueprint to the millions. This secret method gets you paid, even if you're brand new. Instant expert status, how to attract hordes of hungry buyers and make push button money on demand, the easy $10,000 per month shortcut, the multi-billion-dollar matrix, which will make you rich, 7-figure funnel secrets exposed, how to get $100,000 and 4,000 buyers in 1 week, etc., etc. here, all inside of this training here. A bunch of extra bonuses here for a very, very low one-time price. Now, what I'm going to do now is show you a quick video explaining this a little more. Then I'll be back to show you the members area and the OTOs.
Are you haunted by the ghosts of your internet marketing mistakes? Do you feel like all you're left with is a hard drive of broken dreams, an angry partner, and a bank account that's running out of black? If this sounds familiar, then you might think I've been spying on you with a webcam. But no, I've just been doing internet marketing for 20 years and I know what you're going through. Hi, my name's Michael Cheney, and if you've experienced any of the following, I can help you. Do you feel like you're stuck in an endless internet marketing loop, going down one rabbit hole after another? At first, you try and piece together the puzzle on your own, and you end up spending hours, weeks, months trying to piece it all together, looking at YouTube videos, doing searches on Google, but nothing works. So eventually, you invest in a training program and get super excited, only to find when you get in the members area, there's about 1,001 steps to follow. You fall at the first hurdle, you submit a support ticket, and they just tell you it's your fault. You spend yet more hours scouring Google and YouTube trying to get answers. You really don't feel like you're cut out for this because you're not like them. You don't want to be in front of camera, you don't want to create a bunch of content, you don't want to do a bunch of writing. You're just an ordinary person that wants to make some passive income online. They say that blogging is the answer, so you try and do that, but you hit hurdle after hurdle. Technical stuff, worrying what you're going to say, why would anybody listen to you, what are you going to write about, you're not a writer, you're not an expert, you're not a guru, how can you make this work? You get more and more frustrated and desperate for solutions, and you actually toss away tons of hard-earned money on so-called posh button solutions and software, but they don't work. You get to the download page and it's nowhere near as easy as they said it would be to use this software. You try and ask them about it and get help, but they just blame you for doing something wrong and you're back to square one. They tell you that the money's in the list, but you can't build one. You're not an expert, you don't have technical experience, you don't know what to write about, you don't want to create a freebie, you don't want to be creating a brand or become sort of YouTube expert or creating tons of videos and blog posts and Facebook posts. That's just not you. And there you are, struggling in front of your computer when your partner shouts through from the kitchen, "Hey, are you on that computer again? The credit card statement just came through. We need to talk." Oh crap. "What the hell is this?" they say, pointing to an expensive transaction from last month. A justifiable business expenditure? You say, knowing full well that it's yet another program that you fell off the wagon off because there was 10,000 bajillion steps in the members area and there's only 24 hours in a day. A business expenditure, they say. You don't even have a business. What you're doing is worse than a job because you're working even harder and you're actually paying to do it. You can't even call it a hobby because at least a hobby is fun. Your partner's getting frustrated at all the time that you're spending and all the money that you're spending. You no longer see them and you're wasting away the retirement fund. You get desperate and think that buying some PLR might be the answer. So you dig out your folder on your hard drive marked Important Stuff version 7 and find some links for PLR. But it's no good, it doesn't make you money, it's low quality, and you're back to the drawing board once again. In a final attempt to succeed, you throw a bunch of money at solo ads and you get some traffic and you're all excited, but then you realize it's all coming from Timbuktu, nobody's opting in and nobody's buying anything. If any of this sounds familiar, then I have a question for you. Are you willing to invest just 8 hours to make all the money you ever need? The reason I ask is I've made millions and millions of dollars, literally at the last count over $7 million online. And recently I shared how I made over $1 million in just 12 months. People paid over $4,000 to attend this event. They flew in from all over the world to learn these strategies over 2 days. Now you can get access to these same secrets. You can follow everything step by step and you won't pay $4,000 like the original people did. This is your fast track to $1 million. I'll share every single step that I took over a 12-month period to make over $1 million online. You'll get to look over my shoulder as I do it, see on screen exactly what I do, click by click, and you get access to every single recording and every single session. And you can do all of this if you're a total newbie, if you don't like technical stuff, if you haven't got hundreds of hours a week to spend, you can do this. So can you imagine the look on their faces when you finally start making money online? Your partner, your family, and your neighbors will finally give you a pat on the back rather than talking about you behind it. So go ahead and grab your access to the Fast Track to 1 Million program. You'll discover 7 ways to make money online even if you're a time crunch newbie who hates work. And quite frankly, these 7 money-getting secrets are the most valuable thing you'll see this year. And to make it even easier for you and even quicker for you to make money, you're also getting a series of exclusive bonuses, including a done for you campaign which you can copy and paste that's already made me $67,000, 7 Moppet proof money methods for non-tech newbies, the 5-minute newbie friendly fast start guide, and the never fall off accountability system. Plus, you'll also get an exclusive ticket to the Fast Track to the Money live masterclass. This is a 100% pure training and implementation event. And of course, you're completely covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're the first person in the known universe that does not make a ton of money with the secrets that you get on the inside, you can get your money back in full, no questions asked. So go ahead, get your place right now in the Fast Track to 1 Million program, and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so this is the members area that you're going to have access to after you purchase. You have access to all the different trainings in here. They even have written transcripts, action plans, MP3 audios, videos, so you can download them and watch them in your own time if you want to do it that way. Now, there are 3 different upgrades. The first one here says accelerate directly to millionaire status at lightning speed. So this makes it faster. It's an optional upgrade for a very low price. Next one here is content empire, only available on this page. Get oodles of money making traffic without paying for ads. So if you want to get traffic without paying for ads, you can get this one. And the last one's the reseller package. So you can resell this. It's $97 for this one. Again, all the different OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Fast Track to 1 million and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's hard. I mean, if you're looking for like a software for your business and like a push button thing that's going to make you $1 million, this isn't it. This is for people that are really serious about their business and it'll take a little bit of time to get these things set up. So just for those of you, those push button system seekers, this won't be for you. What do I like about this? This stuff works. Michael's been doing this for years now. He's a highly respected internet marketer. He's been doing methods that work over and over and over again. He has students that he's taught. If you're someone that's interested in learning internet marketing, you're sick of making mistakes, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Fast Track to 1 million, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.